To start, I'm using the Murad Hydrating Toner, then I'm following it with the Eye Lift Firming Treatment. I'm applying it in thick layers under each eye, popping the eye patches on, and I'm going to leave them on for 15 minutes. For eyes, we're starting with a Youngblood concealer on the lid just to neutralise any colour, and then I'm going to go in with the Mineral Shadow Quad in Eternity. So we're starting on the lid, so going from the lash line to the crease with the gold, and then I'm taking the dark brown and popping it into the outer half of the lid and blending it up into the crease. Next I'm taking the lightest shade in the quad and I'm popping it into the inner corner of the eyes for a highlight. Now we're going to peel off those patches and massage the rest of the eye product in. Now we're going to mix Murad's multivitamin infusion oil and nutrient charged water gel together and smooth that onto the skin for a really hydrated, plump base. We're using the Liquid Mineral Foundation and then popping the concealer under the eyes for extra coverage. We're going to use the mineral powder to set underneath the eyes and pretty much leave the rest of the face without powder just to keep that radiance going. Then we're going to use the Mineral Radiance Bronzer in the shade Sunshine on the forehead and the cheeks. Now I'm going to use the Sunset Lunar Dust on the cheeks as a really beautiful highlight. To finish up the eyes, we are using the Intense Pencil Liner and I'm popping it onto the lash line. And then I'm going to take the brown shadow from the quad and then blend out the eyeliner with that. Brows, after brushing them up with a clean spoolie brush, I'm going to use the Brow Artiste Kit and just draw some hair-like strokes into Simone's brow just to keep them really nice and natural looking and quite fluffy. And for lips, I am using the Colour Craze Matte Crayon and I'm just going to follow it with the Mighty Shiny Lip Gel.